this video I'm going to show you how to paint this pretty winter snowflake painting in acrylics. This is a sped up tutorial where I'll walk you through each step you need to create this piece. If you'd like to watch the full-length real-time version with full step-by-step instructions, you can head over to my Patreon, Rachel Froud Art, where you'll get access to all of my full-length art tutorials. This painting is really simple and we'll be building it up in layers, so it's perfect for beginners or anyone who wants to paint a soft wintry scene. We'll start with the first layer by filling in the background colours. I'm using a mix of light blues and purples, but you can choose any colours you like. Add the paint in patches of each colour, then use a dry blending brush to swirl and blend the paints together. I've made a video that shows you my favourite ways to blend acrylic paint, so I'll add that to the description below for you. While the background is still wet, we can add some soft, light circles to mimic out of focus falling snow. Use light blue and white paint to create circles in different sizes, keeping the edges soft to get that blurry effect. Next, we'll add some smaller bits of snow by splattering paint onto the canvas. Water down some light blue and white paint and then use a brush to flick the paint and create lots of tiny specks. I'll link my favourite splatter technique in the description as well if you want to learn exactly how to do this. After that, we can use a paintbrush to make a few of those snowdrops a little bit larger. This helps to add depth and makes the snow look more realistic with a range of sizes. Now it's time to mark out the larger snowflakes in the foreground. If you're not confident with straight lines, feel free to use a ruler. Then take some white paint and a small brush to paint in the shape of the snowflake. You can design your own pattern as long as it follows the basic snowflake structure. Next, use light blue paint and dab along the snowflake lines to give them a frosty, textured look. Keep using that dabbing motion to cover each line of the snowflake. To finish the snowflake, add a thin line of white paint on top of each section to brighten it and define the details. Repeat these steps to paint a few more large snowflakes around your canvas. I've chosen to paint 2, but if you're working on a bigger canvas you might want to add more. Be sure to angle them differently to give the effect of the snowflakes naturally falling through the sky. To complete the painting, we can add some smaller snowflakes scattered around the canvas. There doesn't need to be as much detail as the larger ones, so they're quick and easy to paint. The smaller snowflakes help to create depth and make it look like snow falling in the distance. Thanks so much for watching, have fun creating your own winter snowflake painting. Remember to check out the full-length tutorial on my Patreon where you can paint along with me. And don't forget to like and subscribe to see more videos like this.